Start off by putting some Vaseline on your facial hair to avoid pulling your hair follicles out once you apply the adhesive. Bill wore an exaggerated headpiece, but I didn't feel like sculpting a giant prosthetic, so I went with sticking stacks of cotton under my bald cap. Put some liquid latex underneath the cap seam to apply to your forehead, and then stipple some layers over the seam to smooth it out. Glue down and then block out your brows entirely. We're going for the Pennywise look at the end of the film when he's falling apart. So I use some rough, ripped up pieces of tissue paper mixed with liquid latex and apply them to my forehead. Use Ben Nye's white cream paint all over my face and neck. Try not to focus too much on the lids as you'll be painting those black later on, and it's best not to mix different colors of paint. Use a powder or setting spray all over to set the base white down. Hair is optional, but if your lashes caught any of the white paint, go ahead and apply it. Using Ben Nye's cream paint in black this time, paint over your lids and waterline. Don't worry too much about the lines being clean. This is a sewer roaming entity who pretends to be a clown, so cleanliness shouldn't be a priority. Set the eyelids with some black eyeshadow and blend out the edges a bit. Pennywise's eyebrows are in a permanent high arch, so I placed 2 or 3 dots where I wanted the eyebrow and then connected them together with black cream makeup. Then I brushed the line down gently to create a false shadow beneath it. Using the same black cream makeup, follow the gaps and crevices between the pieces of tissue paper to make them look like cracks in the forehead. I used red cream makeup to create the J-shaped lines that start about an inch from the brow and then drop down into the corners of your mouth. Because I don't possess the weird quirk of being able to flip my bottom lip outward and smile, like the real Pennywise, I created the illusion by painting that bottom lip further down than my natural lip shape and then filling it in with a deep red lip color. The 2 front teeth I used are vampire teeth I brought from my nearby Halloween shop. And now you should look at least somewhat like Pennywise the Dancing Clown.